Welcome to JH. This guide explains how to integrate a Google Calendar directly into Notion. Open a fresh browser tab and head over to indyfy.co. Once the site loads, log in using your Google credentials. Since I'm already logged in, I'll select Explore Widgets and then choose the Google Calendar option. Hit Create Widget and give it a title, such as My Calendar, before clicking Continue. The system will now build your widget. Next, sign in with Google again within the widget settings to link your specific calendar data. Select your account, grant the necessary permissions, and proceed by clicking Continue. Once the login is confirmed, close that pop-up, and your schedule should populate on the screen. You can customize the appearance with different colors or simply copy the provided link to your clipboard. Switch over to your Notion page, type a / followed by Embed, and select the Embed tool from the menu. Paste your copied URL into the field using Ctrl+V or Command+V and click the Embed link button. Your calendar is now visible, and you can adjust its dimensions as needed. Thanks for watching. If this helped, please like the video and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.